Okay, so today is finally the day, guys. I've been waiting for this since such a long time, and not just me, I know a lot of you people were also waiting for this. Well, here you go, the RTX 3070 in my hands. Let's get the show started. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So straight away I'm telling you today my excitement levels are off the charts because as I've told you just now, I got my hands on the brand new RTX 3070 graphic card. The one we have right now is from Asus. This is a Tough Gaming OC Edition triple fan model and I'm probably the first person in India to get my hands on this GPU. And you guys are getting to see a first look and overview on this card on my channel. So that definitely deserves a like and subscribe. So do that first. So guys, during the launch event, Nvidia showed a lot of promise with this card. The RTX 3070 is almost like 60% faster than their previous gen RTX 2070, and not only that, it's also faster than the RTX 2080 Ti, and that too at a much lower price than that. See, that is why I'm like super excited about this product. So today in this video, I'll quickly unbox the graphic card and give you all a first look and overview on the product. So let's get started. So the RTX 3070 from Asus comes in this sort of box packaging. The model of 3070 we have right now is Tough Gaming, and this is the OC edition variant from the brand. So the Tough 3070 features Asus Aura Sync RGB, has slightly higher boost clock frequencies than on the Founders edition, and comes with 8 gigs of GDDR6 memory. Based on Nvidia's new Ampere architecture, I'm pretty excited to see what this card can actually offer. Going to the backside, we've got some of its features mentioned like the all-new tough design they're using, max contact cooling and all that stuff. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me tear this seal on the box and here we go. Oh boy, I'm like getting very excited right now because I've been waiting since such a long time to get my hands on this card since the day Nvidia announced it. And I finally have the card right in front of me. So here you go, the brand new RTX 3070 from Asus. Triple fan Tough Gaming OC Edition. Whoa! Okay, I thought 3070 would be a bit smaller than 3080. But no guys, it's almost pretty similar to that in terms of size. This is getting my hopes really high and I like badly want to see how this thing performs in the real world. So along with the card you get some paperwork as well. There's a thank you note for purchasing it and also a collectible card from the brand. That's it, these were all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the product we've all been waiting for, our brand new RTX 3070. Oh my god, what a beautiful looking piece of tech. I don't know how to express this guys, but when I hold such things, I get a great amount of joy from the inside and it makes me feel really happy. Let me just peel this sticker on top of it and then I'll give you all a closer look at the card and then we'll talk about the design and the build quality. Okay, this is a good news. Despite the 3070 being cheaper than 3080, Asus didn't compromise anywhere on the build quality. Looks and feels just like its bigger brother, only thing is it's a bit lighter and less bulky. You've got the Tough Gaming branding here and from my first impressions, it looks pretty good for the price. It's got a triple fan design with a complete metal shroud on the front and these are the new Axial Tech fan with 9-blade design. And I have to tell you the build quality of the card is top notch. Complete aluminum armor with a brushed metallic finish. You got the Tough Gaming branding here and going to the top side, this is how it looks like. The card has a 2.7 slot design and by looking at it I can tell that the heatsink on it is not as beefy as on the 3080. You got the GeForce RTX branding here, Tough Gaming RGB logo that is fully customizable using Asus Armory Crate software, and even the Tough 3070 utilizes two 8-pin power connectors just like its bigger brother. The brand recommends a minimum of 750 watt power supply for this. The Founders Edition card, the 3070, had only one 12-pin connector and required only 650 watts of power supply. Now going to the bottom side, you've got the new PCI Express 4.0 connector and that is pretty much it over here. And this is how the underside of the card looks like. It's got a full metal backplate with the Tough Gaming branding and has that new vented design also to let the heat escape and keep the card running cool. The Tough 3070 also features dual BIOS switch guys that lets you easily switch the card profile to either performance mode or quiet mode as per your requirement. Now let's have a look at the IO bracket as well and check out all the available ports on it. It's got a high quality stainless steel bracket to offer a solid mount. And if you ask about the available I/O ports, it's got two HDMI 2.1 ports and three DisplayPort 1.4s and can support a maximum of 4 displays at a time. Well guys, that was our first look and complete overview on the design and the build quality of the TUF Gaming 3070. Now what I'll do is I'll give you all a closer look and tell you about the main specs and highlights of the card. Based on Nvidia's new Ampere architecture, this second-gen RTX card, the 3070, features 5888 CUDA cores with a base clock frequency of 1500 MHz and a OC boost clock frequency of 1755 MHz. It's got 8 gigs of GDDR6 super fast memory, and Nvidia says that the 3070 offers a big improvement over the previous 20 series cards and is literally faster than their 2080 Ti also, that too for a price less than that. Like, how crazy is that? I can't wait to check out what sort of performance this card is going to offer. Well, that was our unboxing and first look at this brand new RTX 3070 from Asus. I'll be posting my benchmarks and gameplay review as well using this card very soon guys, so stay tuned to the channel and tick that notification bell icon on so you can watch the video as soon as I post that. And if you talk about the pricing, see, the Founders Edition 3070 costs around like 51,000 rupees in India, but I'm not sure about the aftermarket card from these brands because see, while I was making this video, the product was under embargo, right? But once I do get the pricing details, I'll definitely share with you all in my next video. Well, that is pretty much it for today guys. Let me know what games do you want me to test using this card, brand new games, and I'll definitely do that. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.